my girl so rare. Cruising in our Can-Am Spyder so true, through the curvy roads in a sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high. Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air. Hand in hand, there's no need to choose. Just me, my girl.
Happy Juneteenth.
Woohoo! Happy 19th.
Yeah, it's the 19th of June. And we're heading out with Bob and Amy. We're gonna meet up with them and we'll go from there. Probably we'll be stopping somewhere to eat.
More than likely, yes.
More than likely. So.
And I'm thinking you're going by where he used to work down in that area.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's Portersville, Knoxville, Knox, whatever. I looked at this 15 of them, so.
So that's where we're heading, and we will take some videos on the way. Hey, look who's in front of us. Wow. We just left Bob and Amy's house, and there was already a deer running across the field.
Gonna be a dear day.
They just love us. What was it, yesterday? We're in the truck. We're in red, and we're in the center of, not the center of town, right by the Red Bank High School, and a deer went right across 28.
Yep.
Right in front of us. We said we can't get away from them. So, destination is semi-unknown.
Yeah, we're just going with Bob.
A beautiful day. Little chilled in the shade. But otherwise, it's nice. So, stay tuned. Whee! Oh. Well, I do have a different mount on my GoPro that I got today just before we left, and as soon as it's set up, Rita will have a new Rita cam.
And I told him, I'll take his old one. You all heard me yesterday say that. I'll take his old one and he can have the new one. Mine takes more of a beating than his does, so I'll take the old one.
So I got to rename her Rita cam to John, to the John cam. We can switch things around, but I got to set it all up. Like I said, I just came in just before we took off for the ride today. It's another GoPro 13. So once I get it all set up, I'll put the GoPro 8 up for sale on whatever the Facebook thing is.
Marketplace?
Marketplace.
Yes.
The GoPro 8 has a media mod. Actually, I have a spare media mod, so it comes with 2 media mods. I don't know how many batteries. I don't know how many battery chargers, because of course the 13 doesn't have the same battery as the 8. So I don't need all that stuff. And plus other attachments. I'll have it posted.
A flash of brown, a sudden white-tail sign, a hard stop moment on the center line. Frozen statues by the forest edge, grazing quietly near the highway's ledge. They watch the world with wide, untamed eyes. mist begins to slowly rise. A leap of grace, a blur across the lane, then vanish back into the woods again. So keep the eyes alert, the breaking clear, and share the winding road with dear. Oh dear, oh dear, yeah. But turn a key and let an engine hum, and suddenly those graceful whips go numb. They'll stare into a pair of blinding lights, hypnotized by passing cosmic sight, frozen solid on the yellow line. So keep the eyes alert, the breaking clear, and share the winding road with dear. Oh dear, oh dear, yeah.
I don't know what Bob's doing. Oh, lane's changing. Okay. Big lake. Yeah, they're kayaking and all kinds of stuff out there. You have my phone, right?
Duke's Diner.
We stopped at Duke's Diner. And the food, well, let's start off. The coffee was very good.
Yeah.
So they get a plus for that. The food was delicious.
The poor waitress was by herself.
Yeah.
With 2 bus people, I might add. But I felt bad for her.
Was her Joni was her name? She was an awesome waitress. But the owners suck.
Yeah.
Oh my God. The weather's not looking good.
Nope. I've already got drops on my visor.
Yeah. The weather's not looking good. Poor Blue was tossed by the wind of the...
Yeah. I mean, we are with a tornado the other day, just about touched down. So saw a lot of broken trees on this way.
Oh yeah, that's right. Well, I think we're on Perry Highway, which is, I think, Route 19. Route 19. What was that? We went to Newcastle Harley Davidson.
John had a heart attack.
Oh.
He couldn't handle the pressure going into a Harley store. He wanted to bust out with these Harley jokes, like I just looked at him and said, "Don't you dare." Say nothing, John. But he's a good boy. He's a good boy.
Well, I did say to Bob when he said there's nothing in here he likes, I said, that's because you're at a Harley place, not a CanAm. It's all good fun and laughter. Because you've been watching the channel, you know, I always...
Bust Harley people.
Yeah, even though I owned a few.
Yeah. I just don't want him to get knifed. You know, he's talking trash about Harley bikes and stuff. I don't want no pain on my man. It only takes one smack at the back of the head. It's done for.
Raindrops keep falling on our head.
God damn it.
We got speckles in the windshield. But we're heading towards blue skies.
Yeah, right.
Maybe.
How many times have you said that? Bob seems to find the dark clouds.
It's still falling, poor Amy. Alrighty. Well, I got my waterproof pants on that you bought me, honey.
Yeah, well, hopefully they work.
And we have jackets that are not rain gear, but they are waterproof.
Yeah, there's a difference. Is it gush water, trickle water, or some bad downpours? I don't know. I think we've only been in them once with that.
Oh.
And I think we still had to put rain gear on.
Yeah.
That beautiful 60-mile ride.
Well, we did hit one rainstorm when we were up here, and we ended up parking under a bank, the overhang of the bank with a...
Yeah, but it was also 90 degrees that day, and you didn't have to wear a coat.
where the drive-through was.
Yeah.
Oh, I see sun on the road. Look.
Ouch.
Okay, it's dry.
Smacked in the face. I rage.
Catch you on the next one. 2 more deer just ran in front of Bob and woo, wee, Bob and Amy.
They were running from the Deer Association that was over there. That's why.
So that's 4 deer for today.
And it is deer hour, so
that's like 3:40 in the afternoon. Because if it was 3:40 in the morning, I'll still be in dreamland. That's a pretty view. Eee, wow.
yeah, I don't have my camera on because it was starting to rain. I didn't feel it. Now it's sunny and nice.
Sunny and nice. There's the bridge we're going over in Parker.
Aka.
And if you watch our videos, we go over that bridge quite often. And that's the Allegheny. One of these days we'll go back to where the Allegheny starts. What do they call it? The waterhead or what? I don't know.
Something like that.
I think it's both. It's part of the Allegheny and the Mississippi, I thought I read. I don't know. I might be wrong. Here we go. The blue bridge to match blue.
Yeah. I'll match my eyes, maybe.
Oh. Well, it did shower here, but now the sun's out and
Chilly.
Wow, it's like dropped like 4 degrees.
Which makes it 10 on a bike. Yeah, it's steaming, so it was probably hot before.
It's like you, babe, hot and steamy.
Yeah, I know. Hot and steamy. Yep.
That looks cool. Woo! I hope you can see it on the video.
Like I said, it must have been pretty brutally hot right now, because that usually doesn't happen.
Yep. Well, knock on wood, knocking on my head. We're not in the rain.
Yeah.
Sweet home. Oh, we want to thank Amy and Bob for the beautiful ride today.
Yes, we do. Love my sister.
Yep, and we had a great day. A little rain, but
Lots of laughs.
lots of laughs.
I can't help it. But thank you to our subscribers and our new subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. More the merrier.
Absolutely.
But if you like our channel and keep coming back, subscribe, like,
Thumbs up.
share, thumbs up, claps, whistles. We'll take it all.
You and blue